Okay, so we want to solve this problem using bisection method. We are given that this is our function x cubed minus 2x minus 5, and variable is x, and initial interval is given as 2, 3, and tolerance is also given, and max iteration that is allowed is 100. So to use this function, we simply write bisection first, the function name, and then x cubed minus 2x minus 5, and variable name 2, 3, and then the tolerance and max iterations allowed. And we get the exact answer, right? And that's but the problem is that even though we get the answer immediately, the method isn't built into the calculator by default, but you can add it in under 2 minutes, and let me just show you how. Okay, so first we download the bisection method script from the GitHub repo, and the link is in the description. We just press the download raw file, and we have it in our downloads. And then we go to the Ti-Nspire site to get the student software if you don't have it already, and get the Mac one if you have a Mac, and then Windows one, the third link for the Windows. Download it, install it, and then we go to student software. And the student software, we see document toolbox, and in this content explorer, and then wherever you have downloaded the GitHub script, we have to transfer it to our calculator. To connect the calculator to your PC, you have to use the USB cable, and the same cable we use it for charging a calculator is used. And we basically open the connected handhelds and go to my library, and we basically just drag and drop the bisection link to the my library over here, and since I had it already present, I just say yes to all, and just like that it's installed on my calculator. And okay, so there are two ways of using this on your calculator once it's installed. First is to directly open the file in your my library bisection, and then go to menu, check sync and stir, and then run directly. And over here you can just directly run it like that, right? Or a much better method or more recommended method is instead to create a new document, add calculator, and first thing we have to do is refresh the libraries. Then we have to create a shortcut to the my library folder file. File name was bisection, and then a variable to call it with, let's say b, right? And then that's it. You can just call it b, and then as soon as you press dot, it will show you all of the functions which were present in there. And then it's like that. You can use to get the values like that. Now this method is much better because you can use multiple mylib functions in just like this, like one document, right? And then you can add like bisection, Simpson, Romberg, all of them in just like one document. And also then we will like save as let's just say numerical methods, right? So you can have all the numerical iterative methods in like one file. And that's it, and that's how you can use advanced numerical methods like bisection on Ti-Nspire, even though they are not built-in functions. You can also check the GitHub You can check the GitHub repo. It has all the major numerical algorithms which are ready to install just by downloading in the similar fashion. You can use them in your homework, projects, or exam without ever needing a laptop or any other kind of help directly from a calculator.